Adam.
That's okay.
This is the old apartment building in Avalon, Pennsylvania. This was originally early 1950s Westinghouse, but in 2022, got modded by TKL over there. California Mad BS fixtures. Basement. Six. Six. Oh, it's very fast. It might be a little faster than it was when it was original, but I'm not sure.
You had a camera. Snap.
Yeah. You can send it back down if you want.
60,000. What, me or?
Doesn't matter. Yeah, it's a new snap cab. I don't remember where it was originally. Some old dated cab. As Adam mentioned, they did add a camera in here. As well as the brass door tracks. They had brass fixtures originally. They didn't redo the door tracks. Basement.
It was really quick, but
There's no lantern, so I'm not going to be a child. I apologize for that ticking clock there, because that's going to be it.